Hello, my name is Pullein, and today I have a very special treat for you. Now, I get a lot of questions about my 2+8 prioritization system. I also know that the 2+8 prioritization system is helping hundreds, if not thousands of people to really prioritize their day every day. Now, this week I've been recording my third edition of the Time and Life Mastery online course. And what I thought I would do is I would just give you the lesson from that course on the 2+8 prioritization method, because it's such a vital part. I also have a downloadable file that you can get from my download section. There'll be a link up there that you can actually get from the download section of my website, so that you can actually go through this on your own. But I also want to show you this, how it's from the Time and Life Mastery version 3 coming out soon course. So it'll give you a really good idea of how to use the 2+8 prioritization system. So today I'm just going to hand you over to myself from the course. Now you're going to get, this is going to be a slightly different format than what we normally have in this productivity mastery system, but I really do think it's very important that you do prioritize your day. If you're not planning your day, that means somebody else will plan your day for you, and they really don't have a good plan for you. So here's how to do it, courtesy of like a preview of the Time and Life Mastery 3.0 or version 3 that's coming out next month. So I thought I would just show you this from now. Before we go into this though, I would just like to say, if you do get any value from this at all, please hit that like button below. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I would be most grateful if you would subscribe. Okay, over to you, Carl. Right, what I'm going to introduce you to now is a 2+8 prioritization technique that I developed that is designed to get you to focus in on the things that are truly important to you each day. Now, at the end of this lesson, you will find a sheet that you can use. Now, you can print that off and you can write it out every day, or you can just copy and use it as a template in your Notes app or in your to-do list manager, or whatever way you want to use it. It's entirely up to you, and it's entirely up to how the system that you have in place. So basically the 2+8 prioritization system involves you allocating 2 objectives for the day. Those are the 2 things that you absolutely must get done that day, and 8 focus tasks that you would actually like to get done that day, and you will do everything you possibly can to make it happen. So what I've done here is I created a sheet for you, which you can download at the end of this lesson. And basically it's like the daily priority workflow, which is a 2+8 system. Now, essentially, what are you doing is you've got 2 objectives plus 8 tasks that you would like to do. Now, this does not include your regular daily routines. So you do not include those, because those just have to be done, and they're not going to take your life further forward. They're not going to have a big impact on the way that you work. These are just some of the things that you have to do. So let's go into a little bit more detail on how this works. So the first, right up at the very top, is what 2 tasks could you do tomorrow that would have the biggest positive impact on your goals and projects? Now, the key here is to actually make sure that at least one of those are related to your vision, related to your goals that you have set for yourself now. Now, I'll give you an example. Usually, certainly Sunday to Thursday on my list, I will usually have my exercise, because exercise to me is a very important part of my life. I know that if I want to continue working into my 70s and 80s, I am going to have to stay fit and healthy. So exercise is a crucial part of a goal that I have that's going to take me forward in the next 30 or 40 years. The second one is often usually related to a project that I'm working on at this particular moment in time. For example, right now, as I'm recording this Time and Life Mastery course, that is one of the biggest objectives, one of my objectives that I have for today. Underneath, you'll see what will you focus on tomorrow. Now, bearing in mind that what we're doing is we're planning this out for tomorrow. Excuse me. So what I want to do is, what project or activity or goal do I want to focus on tomorrow? Now, this is because quite often we get caught up in the daily busyness of the world, and it's very easy to lose sight of what we want to focus on. So having something that's just going to bring your attention back to the project or the activity or the goal that you want to accomplish can really help you to stay focused in on the important things in your life. And remember, time and life mastery is not about giving up time for other people. There is a time for that, of course, but you need to be focused on the things that you want to achieve in your life. And when you do that, you can bring along all the other people in your life too. So it's not really being selfish. Now let's move down this sheet. What we have now is the 8 tasks that you would like to get done tomorrow that either need doing to make progress or you would like to just get done. Now, this is a great way. Now, these tasks you really want to be setting the goal of completing these tasks every day. You want to be moving into whatever else is on your list you've not identified as being important. But these are the things that you really want to do. So these could be related to the projects that you're working on at the moment. They could be related to things that you need to organize for a family trip. Anything like that just needs to get done to move things forward. Remember, it's always about momentum. It's about that momentum of moving forward. And again, do not include your routine tasks or anything like that. These are things that are going to have a big impact on where you are in your life today. So I know in a perfect world we would have complete control over everything we do each day, but we don't live in a perfect world. So we have to make sure that we take responsibility for our time. And to help you do that, if you prioritize each day just using the 2+8 prioritization system, you can keep a good control of your life. And remember, if you're doing these 10 tasks every single day, at the end of the month, that's 30 tasks that you've done that have a huge impact on the direction you want to take your life. And being really aware and turning this into a habit of setting yourself up those 10 tasks. And to be honest with you, once you get into doing it, it only takes you about 10 to 15 minutes at the end of the day just to make sure that you're prioritized the right things. Which is why, if you've already done the Your Digital Life 2.0 online course, which you get for free as part of this course, then you will understand the importance of your to-do list manager, your notes app, and your calendar, the 3 things that you really, really need to make sure you have. Okay, thank you very much. That's all I really wanted to say about the 2+8 prioritization system. Don't forget, you can download this sheet when you get to in the next section of this course. Hello, my name is Pullein, and I'd like to tell you about Time and Life Mastery version 3. Now, in Time and Life Mastery, the whole purpose of the course is to get you to start achieving the things that you want to achieve in your life. Now, that could be career goals, that could be lifestyle goals, that could be goals related to community and service. Whatever your goals are, whatever your vision, whatever it is that you want to achieve in your life, Time and Life Mastery is going to be the course that's going to help you to do just that. And what we do is we go into everything. We go into the 50 things that you want to do in your life. We have 5 really powerful questions that get you to really think about the things you want to do, the person you want to become, the places you want to see, the things that you want to have in your life. And we show you a step-by-step guide to actually making those things happen for you. Most people go through life not having a clue what they want to do. They just drift from one day to the next to the other. When you do Time and Life Mastery course, you get purpose. You have a purpose for waking up in the morning. You have a reason to jumping out of bed and attacking the day, and you have so much energy because the purpose that you have, the clarity, the vision that you have about what it is you want to achieve in your life gives you the energy, gives you the reasons for getting out of bed, gives you the reasons for going to the gym every day, even if you don't feel like it, gives you the reasons for learning the skills that you need to develop your career. turns you from being a spender into a saver. Whatever it is that you want to achieve, Time and Life Mastery version 3 is the course for you. It has everything. And not only are we going to discover, or you are going to discover what it is you want to achieve in your life, but after you've done that, I'm going to show you a way of turning action steps into your daily activities, so that with that clarity, with that purpose, and you're doing actions every single day, then that's when you get serious movement towards achieving the things that you really want to achieve in life. And it doesn't matter what they are. It may be that you want to own a castle in the countryside. Maybe you want to have a log cabin in the forest. Maybe you want to have a fantastic car. It does not matter. Time and Life Mastery 3.0 is going to show you the way to do it. Of course, it cannot do it for you. Only you can do it. Only you can change the way you operate today into a way that is going to take you towards achieving whatever it is you want to achieve. The course is flexible. You can switch and change. You're also going to learn how to do the amazing vision timeline, which gives you so much motivation and so much inspiration when you're not feeling quite in the mood. So I really hope that you join me in Time and Life Mastery 3. I've put my heart and soul into this course because I so want to help people to achieve the things they really want to achieve in their life. I'm here for you. I want to help you to achieve the things that you want to do in your life. So please join me in Time and Life Mastery 3. It is coming very soon. If you want to get more details, then just send me an email, but I will be putting details on the Time and Life Mastery website, which is timeandlifemastery.com. Thanks very much for watching this little video.